Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build an online course with Teachable, full guide step by step clearly. Start by creating an account on Teachable by visiting their website. Click on the Get Started button to begin the sign up process. Fill in your name, email address, and a secure password. Once you've registered, check your email for a verification link. After verifying, log in to your Teachable account. You will be guided through a setup tour. Follow the prompts to familiarize yourself with the platform. Now, locate the Courses tab in the dashboard and click on it. Select the New Course button to start building your course. You'll be prompted to choose a course title. Pick a name that clearly represents your content. Next, select a course subdomain for your site. This will be part of your course's URL, so choose something memorable. Click Create Course to proceed to the Course Builder. In the Course Builder, you will see options to add different sections. Begin by organizing your course outline into modules or sections. Create your first section by clicking the Add Section button. Label this section according to its content, such as Introduction or Module 1. Afterward, add lectures by clicking Add Lecture under the appropriate section. For each lecture, provide a title and add content such as text, videos, quizzes, or links. Utilize Teachable's media options to upload videos or embed content from platforms like YouTube. Make sure to include clear instructions and supplemental materials for your students. As you build, review each section to ensure a logical flow of information. Once you've added all your content, click on the Settings tab to configure your course. Adjust course pricing by choosing between free, one-time payments, or subscriptions. Set up any promotional pricing if applicable. Customize your course landing page by adding a course image and description. Ensure your description highlights key learning outcomes to attract potential students. Next, visit the Emails option to craft announcement emails for your students. Create automated emails to keep learners engaged throughout the course. Test your course internally before launching by clicking on Preview. Check all links, videos, and downloadable materials for functionality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.